Hello and welcome to another LeetCode solution video. This is problem number 14, longest common prefix. This problem is write a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of strings. If there is no common prefix, return an empty string. Example 1, we're given an input string array of flower, flow, and flight. The output for this example will be FL because all three of the strings have the common prefix of FL. And for example 2, we're given an input string array of dog, race car, and car. And the output of this would be an empty string because all three of the strings have no common prefix. Let's go through an example. For this example, we're given our input string array of str, string, and stroke. One thing we can do at the start of this problem is determine which of the strings is the shortest. That way, when we loop through all our strings, we know we only have to go the length of the shortest one because that is the max prefix common to all of the strings. So in this case, our shortest string has a length of 3. Now we'll want to loop through all of our strings and make sure the current character in each of the strings is equal. If they are equal, we'll add it to our output and move on to the next character. If they're not equal, we will exit our loop and return our output value. So the first character in each string is an S, so they are all equal. We'll add that to our output value, and then we'll move on to the next character in each string. The second character in each string is a T, so they're all equal. We'll add that to our output value, and we'll move on to the next character in the string. This next character is R for all three strings, so they're all equal. We'll add that to our output. For this example, we've reached the end of our shortest string, so we'll exit our loop and return our output of str. Let's jump into the code. First thing we can do is check to make sure we're not given an empty list. If we are given an empty list, we can just return an empty string. Next, we'll want to find our shortest string in our list and determine its length. And we can do that using the min function. Next, we can define our output value. In this case, we'll call it common prefix. Next, we'll want to loop through our strings. We'll want to grab our current character of our first string so that we have something to compare the other strings to. Next, we'll want to compare all of the other strings' character against our current character. If they're all the same, we'll add this current character to our common prefix. Otherwise, we'll exit the loop. That's all we need to do while looping, so now we can just return our common prefix. And that's it for this problem, so let's run this. All test case passed, so let's submit. Our solution was accepted, so that's it for this video. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, make sure to check out my channel. Thanks for watching.